Welcome to another episode of series Vegetables of India, and today we are covering Padma's vegetable and fruit garden. And I just wanted you all to look at it and get inspired and try to do a little bit of your garden in your areas. And this is from Texas, so Gardens of India in Texas episode in Padma's house. We have chikudukai, and if you see, this is the flat bean. And very famous, but the purple line one is not that in South India, but looks like this is more of but it's chikudukai. And if you see, there's lot of blooms up here. This is also her dondakai patch. If you see, there are some blooms. She hasn't gotten that much of fruit from this plant because this plant for some reason did not bear a lot of fruit. But the leaves and the vines and the thing is something that you could use, is what we are thinking. But this is the dondakai plant that she has, and she has a lot of amaranth, totakura over here, and it's used in dals, much easy. And if you see, it grows like a weed, but it is the best weed to have because it has a lot of health benefits. The totakura. She also has some tomatoes up here, and I think they are going to bloom now because for the next round. And she has some matakali also over here, which is good for health. And totakura plants are there all over, so it's interesting how we have it. And this is gumarkai,
sorakai, round sorakai.
Oh, this is the round sorakai, the round bottle gourd, I would say. If you look up here, she has a couple of them. So this is from this is in a pot, Padma.
Yes, but the roots go into the ground.
Oh, so it's an open pot.
Open pot bottom.
Very good, open pot. That's the mistake I did. I did not do an open bottom. So that's why I have very little veggies actually. Oh, this is very good. This is the sorakai, that is the round one. Very tasty,
yes,
actually.
Very tasty, and its curry comes out really good.
Very good. Yeah, it's better than the other one.
More
is what
fleshy.
I hear. Yeah. So all of this is the sorakai, the round sorakai.
This long one.
This is the long sorakai. If you see, she has plant. But she also has that in a pot over here, but open pot is what she said.
Yeah, I have one this type of sorakai. I left this one for seed.
Okay, this is for seed because we are getting our own seeds. And if you look at the trellis, she has put one wooden trellis, not a huge one, but her method is not like the tall one like we have seen everywhere, but this is like, if you look at the it's like it goes parallel to the fence, vertical one, and it goes parallel. The trellis is parallel, and you can also do this so that you can see on both sides and pick on both sides and not worry about things. So this is a very interesting way of doing the trellis. This is the first one that we are doing, the vertical one. Jasmines up here and plumeria, if you see, and this is the Indian bougainvillea, which is a beautiful color. The leaves here, which we used in dals. And again, totakura.
Chutneys.
Yeah. And this is the curry leaf plant in the ground, Padma?
Yes, it's in the ground and it goes to the ground. It dies to the ground and comes back up every year.
Oh, so this has been in the ground for some time now.
Yes, about 5 years.
Yeah. And she has a small jasmine patch over here. And she has...
bloomer.
It's an early bloomer. Cyclamen is a plant. If you see, there's so many jasmines up here as part of her vegetable, so that all the bees and all come. There's a lot of gongura up here, and there's a beetle leaf plant up here.
I thought it was beetle leaf, but it's a
not?
Vietnamese spinach type.
Always confused that it's a beetle leaf, so it's not a beetle leaf, is what you're telling me now.
Yes, it is the Vietnamese variety. It is used like spinach.
Oh, the birakai plant. And these plants, like as mentioned, give a lot of birakais. So you see, there are a couple of plants, Padma, 2 of them.
Yes.
And
this one.
In each one, 2 of
three.
them. 3 of these
1,
plants.
2, 3.
And it covers this whole patch. If you see, there's a lot of blooms for birakais. Have you harvested enough for the season, Padma?
Yes. And this year I am growing organic vegetables, so not enough to share with everyone like every year, but enough for me.
Enough for you.
Yes.
And you can have it for the rest of the year, some of these
Looks
fruit.
like it, yes.
Excellent. The curry leaf plant here. She has a bunch of them. She propagates, and Padma always shares with all of us. And there's also Brahma Kamalam, a kind of flower up here. Have you had blooms, Padma?
No, that one is
Different.
mix of purple only red and yellow.
I think,
They
yeah.
haven't bloomed,
They
but
haven't
I
bloomed.
don't know why. Watering and everything, but it's
Still
not
not
happy.
bloomed. Yeah. Parijatams like we saw. And she has Gemichetus. We've seen all of that. And she has some Cassandras. And she has the chili plants up here. Tomatoes are all, it's all the end of season, so no. And she also has the Brahma Kamalam here, over here, the big part. Have these bloomed, Padma?
Yes.
I see that there are a few blooms up here.
Yes.
Are getting ready to bloom. This is a different variety.
It's a different variety. Yes. I'll send.
Send me, yeah.
They are going to bloom in couple of days.
Couple of days?
Almost most of them.
How old is this plant, Padma?
This plant is 5 years old.
Here, Brahmi leaves. She is grown, got it from one of the markets and growing it. Very, very awesome leaf. It increases memory power and it's called the intelligent leaf, the Brahmi. It has henna plant up here. She has passion fruit plants that she's gotten recently. Growing turmeric and also eggplant. As you see, now it will come, we'll get more eggplants now actually because the temperature is cooling off.
Yes.
White one. And she has a couple of them. And what type of potting is this, Padma? It's a
This
different
is,
type of pot.
Garden pickers it is called. City pickers it is called. It's covered with a plastic tarp type of thing. I use trash bags. We don't need to, if we add once a week, that's enough. Water.
Is there anything below where you use these pipes to water the plant that way?
Nothing.
No.
We just water through that pipe and
Okay.
all the soil gets wet and it stays wet for almost a week.
Then this can be in the winter also for us.
Yes.
Because eggplants grow in the winter also. I
Winter
heard.
also.
So you
I'm
have some
hoping.
okra also over here.
Yeah,
And some more different kind of eggplant.
Purple
Actually,
one.
this way we'll have eggplant all year long.
I'm hoping.
No, that's what they do in India. I heard some of them on the roof garden. So this is the taro plant. She has basil up here,
Hi, basil.
totokura, and then she
Regular
has the
basil.
regular basil for pesto, and then some more of eggplant and okra. If you look at this okra, this is a very long okra, and it's not fully matured either. See, we just plucked this at the end. It's a very tender one. Is this a special variety or
It's
anything?
our friend gave me the seeds.
I think this is the elephant okra, Padma. Because
I
it's
don't know
called
the
elephant
name.
okra. Save the seed because it's supposed to be very good. Elephant okras, like you have 4 or 5, you get one dish for Indian
Yeah,
family.
It's very long.
Yeah, it's very long. I think this is the elephant okra. And she has some peppers up here. Again, basil, taro root. See, if you see, they are growing in a natural way. Very easy. For her, she just, her vegetable farm will give her all the vegetables from here. Eggplants.
Different
Look,
varieties.
there are different varieties of eggplants. Oh, a lot of them are there actually. I got the, I didn't get the white one actually.
I have the white one.
white
That's
one?
the one near jamam plant.
Very good, very good.
I left that one for seed, so it's almost.
Oh, so the seeds will come and we are good.
Seeds will come,
And she has some mint here and moringa. And this has gotten seeds this year is what she says. So if you look at the moringa, drumsticks are here. Mint plant. And this is a different type of basil. And she has Malabar spinach over here, bachalaku. And this is a
Kira.
Oh, it's not dosaka, it's the kira, cucumber.
That's
Yeah.
Kira and cucumber is to this end.
So if you look at kira, you look at it. And some more of okra up here. This is the regular okra.
This is regular okra.
This is regular
you can see
okra?
the difference.
Yeah, the leaves are very different, exactly.
Fruit size
Fruit
also.
size also is different. Yeah.
Yes, I left this one for seeds
For
so
seeds.
that I won't pick it. I broke it.
Yeah.
And this is the regular one. Regular cucumber.
Regular
dosakai.
cucumber. So if you look, there are lots. So you've got, this will cover for, yeah, this is good for our family, enough for us.
yes.
We don't have to go to the Indian store for vegetables anymore.
Not until we get winter.
Karela, if you look, there's lot of Karela. Do you put anything special for these plants, Padma, or they just grow as is?
They just grow as is.
Just water.
Water.
Yeah. So if you look at the Karelas, there are a lot of Karelas actually. And there are a lot of fruit and plants. Very good, very good. So these are 3 plants, if you look.
3 plants in 3
And
pots.
enough for us because enough Karela for the
One family.
one family.
Every 4-5 days.
You cut and it is good. Yeah. Here she has Ridge Gourd again. And this is Lofa. Yeah. This is a different type of birekai.
Yeah.
But it's huge one actually. Yeah. Very good actually. 3 plants over here she has. And she has a different type of beans over here. Flat
This
beans.
is a long bean.
Long bean. Yeah. And then the
I just
Lofa.
picked the produce, so you can see a lot of new growth
Yeah,
and
new
flowering.
growth is coming. It's small plant gives a lot of fruit is what I heard. To look at
This is
vegetable.
lupa, same thing.
This is Lofa and there are a lot of things. And this is the chikudukai.
Chikudukai, yes.
And Lofa is
And
in
you
it.
can.
It's a
We have
purple
print-
flower. I have only white flower, Padma. Is this a different
this
variety?
is purple flower. Here there you had seen purple, right?
Right, yeah.
Here green only, but purple flower.
Purple flower, yeah.
Skin is little thin compared to the total
one,
purple one.
So she has some lofa over here, which is also called birakai itself, but
Nethi
it's a
birakai.
nethi birakaya, what we call it. It comes huge. One birakai is enough for one family actually.
Yes.
I make 2 dishes of the same. So if you look at the chikudukai, lot of chikudukai up here. It's interesting how one's interest lets them go. Are these also open pots, Padma?
Yes, these
Awesome.
are all open parts.
And even here, if you notice, she has this vertical trellis, which is very good and very interesting. I thought it was good for viewers to see and learn. And she has
This is
more.
a different variety of
This is like the
chikudu,
Andhra
bush
type,
variety.
yeah, the bush variety. Oh, bush variety.
Yes.
Oh, that's why this is very different too. So there's so many 4 varieties of beans, and this is the bush variety one, and this is the other one, which
This
is
a
white and
flower and
white. There's a lot of seed on this one actually.
Yes.
And that is the flat one. This is
shady. Yes.
safe one. Very interesting. This is called her bean patch, I would say. She has around 4 different types, and I think they'll come now more. She has the fig tree over here. What fig is this, Padma? Any
This
idea?
is a brown turkey fig.
Yeah, this is the one that most of us have, right? How old is this tree?
This is 4-year-old.
You've trimmed it pretty good, and
Yes, I don't want it to become
huge?
a huge bush.
yeah. Usually these are huge bushes, so
Yes.
I'm glad you trimmed it well, actually.
Yeah, all new growth. I always trim the
Trim
all
it up.
new growth.
So
and
there's
I
a
leave-
lot of bears of food, lot of fruit,
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
We have one fruit right there, ready to pick.
and they are very sweet, actually.
Yes.
We see a nice parsimon plant here. Beautiful orange fruit comes. So these are raw right now. If you see, they all become lightly orange and slowly become dark orange. This
When
is
it gets
so good.
cold, really cold, they become nice orange color.
So you see, it's bearing a lot of fruit here. I never knew about this fruit until one of my Asian friends shared, and how healthy it is. It's a very healthy for us to eat this fruit.
Yes.
How
it's
old is this
especially-
fruit?
This is a 4-year-old tree.
4-year-old tree. Yeah, excellent, beautiful.
This fruit has a lot of folic acid in it,
Folic
which
acid?
is necessary for women.
Women, yeah, very good actually. And again, the guava, one more plant of guava over here. She harvests a lot of guava. Plant over here. See if you look, there is jujubes over here. Jujubes are nothing but regipandu, and these are a lot of. If you see, there's a lot noticed. We have seen Padma's yard. Thank you, Padma, for inviting us. Anything for our viewers? Any parting words where you want to inspire them with how you do, or anything? Any parting words, Padma, for the viewers?
Good luck with your gardening, first of all. And it is not at all hard work. If you spend like half an hour each day, you will have your own produce, fresh produce. You don't need to run to the store or anything. And you want organic, you can have organic your own. And it's very easy also. Good luck for
The coming
future
season.
gardeners and
Excellent.
future
Everybody.
seasons also.
Seasons. Thank you. Thank you,
you.
Padma. Video. I hope you enjoyed Padma's garden, her fruit garden, vegetable garden, and her medicinal garden. get inspired and put a couple of plants in your yard, slowly grow. This is Padma's like hard work for the past 10 years, so it's not something that she got it right away. So thank you so much for watching us. Like us, comment us, and subscribe to our channel, and let us know if you want to do more, if you want us to cover your yard. If you are in Dallas, Texas, this is our little patch in Dallas, Texas for vegetables of India and fruits of India, and also flowers of India. So I call this the Garden of India in Texas. So we are all from India and we are enjoying growing our own fruits and flowers and vegetables here. Thank you for watching us.